Hello my dear lovely children, how are you all? Hope you all are very good and energetic, right children? Welcome to my class. Children, today we are going to begin a new academic year and the year of 2021 and 22. And children, you are promoted to senior KG, from junior KG to senior KG. And I am your class teacher. That is a class teacher of senior KG. And my name is Nafisa Anjum. And children, you can call me as Nafisa ma'am. Okay children, welcome to you to my class. And my dear parents, I request you to kindly help your children in attending the classes. And dear parents, this year we are going to conduct 2 online classes, that is in Google platform, and remaining days we are going to send you the pre-recorded videos. That I request all the parents to kindly help your children in attending the classes, that is online or offline, both you have to help, and encourage your children in learning more and more, exploring more and more, and helping your children in their development. Okay my dear parents, now first what we will do, we will know about which books we are going to use. That is the set of books which we are going to use in this academic year. Okay children? Okay my dear parents? Now I will show you the names of books one by one. Now my dear parents, I am going to introduce the set of books which we are going to use this year in senior KG. So this set of books comes from IMAX. And first we are having this English book. This is the book of English. And here we are having, this is the textbook come workbook. Here only we can have writing work and the reading work both. And next we are having the second book is, see here, maths workbook come textbook. And this is also from IMAX, and these are from Oyster series. See here parents, you can see Oyster series. And next we are having EVS. That's our third subject is EVS. This is also from Oyster, IMAX Oyster series. And next we are having phonics book. This phonics books which supports the children in learning the phonics sounds and activities related to phonics. Next we are having practicing numbers. This is the book which helps children in learning the number names, numbers, addition and take away, all the activities related to maths. Next my dear parents, we are having activity book, and activity book comes in 2 parts. That's half year we are using part 1 and next half year we are using part 2, and this is the very useful book which helps the children in learning the concepts by doing the activities. And this is activity book part 1. Next is activity book part 2. Activity book part 2. So this is also the second part. Next we are having a very interesting book, activity plus book. This book is called as parent child connect book. So means in this book whatever the activity is given, that is done with the help of their parents at home. So here this book helps the children and the parent to build the relationship, that is the good contact between the parent and the child. While doing this activity you will understand the child better and child understands the parents better. So this helps in the interaction to build a good relationship between parent and the child. Yes, and this book is called as activity plus book. Next we are having pre-skills book, and here pre-skills book means here are some activities which are given which helps the children in developing their skills, that is visual or related to studies or related to anything, fine motor skills or gross motor skills, everything it helps in to develop the pre-skills. Pre means beginning, the beginning skills of the child. So this is called as pre-skills book. And next we are having rhymes book. So here are the rhymes related to the each concept. So full year we are going to learn more and more rhymes with the help of this book. Next, very good children. So all are interested to see the books. Now next we are having stories book, and here we have lot of stories which helps the child in developing the morals in their life. Next we are having the last book, and in senior KG we are going to learn Kannada. So we are using Chinnara Baraha. This book we are going to use to learn Kannada. So children, all are excited to get the books, no children? Yes. So my dear parents, we will let you know when the books are available. Okay. So till that we will do the bridge course which help the child in remembering whatever they have learnt in junior KG. Okay my dear parents. So kindly help your child in understanding the things whatever we teach. Okay. Thank you my dear parents. Children, after exploring all the books, whatever books we will get in senior KG, now we will revise about phonics. Whatever you have learnt in junior KG. So children, what you have to do, you have to repeat after me. So today what we will do, we will learn about the phonic sounds of all letters. So before that you have to tell me how many letters are there in the alphabet. How many children? Very good. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. How many children? 26. So what we will do? We will learn about the phonic sounds. The phonic sounds with action of each letter. Okay children? Yes, very good children. So children, what we will do? We will learn about the phonic sounds of the letters. That is 12 letters we will learn today. And remaining we will learn the phonic sounds with actions in the next session. Okay children? So all of you children, stand up in your place. Stand up in your place. Very good. Very good. All are listening and attentive. So you are very fed up, no children, staying at home without studies, without everything. Only playing. Now we will study. Okay? Yes, very good. Are you ready? Show me thumbs up. Very good. Now children, can you tell me the first letter of the alphabet? Which is the first letter of the alphabet? Which letter you can see here? Letter A. Very good. And the sound and action of the letter A is a. What is this children? A. Ant is crawling on the hand. Crawling means ant is walking on the hand. And A for what is this? A for apple. A for apple. So now children, once again do with me. A for apple. A for ant. A for ant. And A says a. Children, can you repeat after me? A says a. Very good. And next children, B for which letter you can see? B for bat and B for ball. B for ball and B for bat. And B says b. B for ball and B for bat. B. Yes, no children? Yes. At the last we'll learn with the rhyme. Just we will introduce first. Okay? Yes. Next, after B, which letter comes children? Which letter you can see? Letter C. Letter C. C for cat and C for cup. C for cat and C for cup. And C says What C says? C for cat and C for cup. And C says Very good children. After C, which letter comes children? After C, letter D. Letter D. And D for drum. And D for dance. D for drum and D for dance. D for drum and D for dance. D says d. Children, you have to do the action and you have to say the sound. D says d. Very good. After D children, which letter comes? Letter E. Very good. Letter E. And E for elephant. E for elephant. And E for egg. E for egg. And E says A. When we break the egg, no children, how does it make? A. E for elephant. E for egg. A, A, A. A. Very good children. All are doing. Very good. And after E children, which letter comes? After E, letter F. And F for fan. And F for fish. F for fan. F for fish. And F says, okay children, F says, again do children, do with me the action. F says, very good. F says, very good children. After F children, which letter comes? Which letter you can see here? Which letter? G. Very good. G for what children? G for grapes. G for grapes. And G for grind. G for grind. Your mama grinds the children. So how does the grind? G. Show children, do the action. G. G says G. Very good. After G children, which letter? Letter H. H for what? H for hat. H for hat. And H for hand. H says, children do the action with me. H says, very good. After H children, after H, which letter? I. I says, I for igloo. And I for insect. I for insect. I says, E. I for igloo. I for insect. And I says, E. Do the action children with me. I says, E. Very good children. After I children, which letter? Letter J. J for jug. And J for juice. J says, and J for jelly. And the sound and action of the letter J is J. The sound is J. Action is here like this. You have to do your hand. J. When we put the jelly in the plate, it moves the children. So if we shake, so like this. J. Very good. After J children, which letter you can see? Letter K. Letter K. So children, K. K for what is this? Your favorite kite. And K for king. K for king. K for kite and K for king. K. Children, do after me. Do the action and tell the sound. K for kite. K for king. K. So you are playing with the kite. So you have to pull the thread. That is the action. K. Very good children. After K children, which letter? After K, letter L. L for lion. And L for, what is this? Lollipop. L for lion. L for lollipop. L for licking the lollipop. When you eat, no, enjoy, no? Yes children, repeat after me. L for lion. L for lollipop. Very good children. So how many letters we completed? Shall we count? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So we completed 12 letters. So remaining letters we will learn the phonic sound and action in the next class. Now these all letters we will sing with the rhyme. Okay children? The same with the phonic sound song. So all of you stand up and sing with me and do the action. Okay children? Yes, very good. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. A for apple, A for ant, A. B for ball and B for bat, B. C for cat and C for cup, D for dog and D for drum, d, 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 d. E for elephant, E for egg, A, 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 A. F for fan and F for fish. After F, G for grapes and G for grind. G, 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 G. H for hat and H for hand. I for igloo, I for insect. E, 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 E. J for jug and J for juice. J, 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 J. K for kite and K for king. K, 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 K. L for lion, L for lollipop. L, 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 L. Very good, children. So enjoyed? Yes, very good, children. So children, what you have to do? Today's homework. So this year started and your homework also started. So today's homework is you have to see the video, watch the video and practice the phonic sounds. Already you have learnt in junior KG. This is the revision. So this is the bridge course what I am doing. So what you have to do? You have to learn the phonic sounds with action. Okay, children? So this is your homework. Who will learn, and in online class I am going to ask one by one. So how you learnt and who will do good, who has practiced. For them I will give 10 stars. Very nice stars. You want no, children? Yes, very good. So children, you have to practice these phonic sounds. So my dear parents, kindly help the children in learning these phonic sounds. So now I am going to show you a video related to these phonic sounds. Okay, my dear children. So watch this video and learn by referring my video and this phonic sounds video also. Okay, my dear children. So watch this video and we will meet you in the next class. Hope you will learn and what you will do? Practice more and more. See you in the next class, children. Bye, children. Thank you.
So my arm, and so my arm, and so my arm, they're causing me alarm. Bring your bat and bring your ball, Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Eggs in the pan, eh eh eh. Eggs in the pan, eh eh eh. Eggs in the pan, eh eh eh. Crack the egg like this, eh. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gurg 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 gurg. Hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, hop, Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops.